Hey guys, happy. I don't know when it's coming out at this point. My brain is mush. But your girl is in a collab. Your girl is in a collab. Yes. So this is the Splash Into Summer box Save It Challenge hosted by Ashley Monet. And then we have I'm gonna say Yvette at Diamond Budgets, Kendra with Budget with Kendra, Lena at O&L here, Ashley Monet, and Megan at Regular Budgets. And we all created a little box challenge with cards that match it. And we have a shut the box for our game, and then we have a dice race for our game as well. And I'm going to play it. I have 25 buckaroos here, and I have my cards. I'm going to put my money there. And I didn't laminate the cards because I ran out of laminate. So we're going to try my best to shuffle them. This probably was a horrible job. Okay. So, let's just pull it here. And so we have this one from Lena. It's a little cat. And look at this cat with the parachute, if you can see. Look at that guy. So we have this cat for $5. Oh my God, that's an expensive cat. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to highlight this cat. That cat was $5. So we're actually done with this card. Okay, so we have mine, which is Beach Day Finds. And I have a little randomizer on it. So we're going to do the 4 first and then the 1. So we'll end up saving $5 this round. I'm not going to cross it off until I do the other bonus. 3 or 5. Is this okay? So yeah. Okay, so we have one from Megan, which she's okay. Here she goes. And this is this little surfer guy. He is $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my gosh, I'm running out of money already. So he is $6, and we got done with that card. Okay. Oops, if I can pull a card. Oh, back on Megan again. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just taking all my money. So this little ghost guy is $5. And we're done with that card. No, let me shuffle these again. I want to shuffle these again. I don't think that card moved anywhere. Okay, no, I don't want to do mine again. Let's find one from Ashley. Okay, here we go. And here it's in the front, and we have a pool day, which is $3, and we're gonna do the first bonus for $1. So this first one would be $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yo, we played with everybody except for Yvette. Yvette. So let's see what everybody has. So for Ashley's, we have $4 so far. So we're gonna stick her back in there. And then we didn't do anything from Yvette. So in mine, we should have $5. Okay, in Lena's, let me turn this way. We will have $5 as well. Okay, in Megan's, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. $11 in Megan. So, oops. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my, it's broke. Is it working? Okay. That was fun. We got, look at there. We got through 3 cards already. We got 2 from Meg that we completed. And then we did 2 bonuses. So we're going to shuffle those cards back in there. For next time, and we're going to leave these cards in here. The ones I finished. But yes, this Splash Into Summer Box Challenge was hosted by Ashley Monet. And it has Diamond Budgets, Budget with Kendra, ONL here, and Megan at Regular Budgets. So Yvette, Lena, Kendra, Ashley, and Megan. I hope I said it. So here is Ashley's. Here's Diamond Budgets. Here is my section. Here is Lena with all her cats, and this cat is begging for life, begging his dear life, because he's about to fall. And then we have Megan, and we have a Shut the Box game and a dice race game. And everybody will be linked in the description box. So make sure you go check out their channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. And grab this box challenge so you can save you some money this summer. Money this summer. Money this summer. Oh, let me put this back in here. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.